Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
Are we in a store?
Yes, clothing store here.
Is this store nice?
Yes, very nice store.
Do you see clothes?
Yes, many clothes here.
Is this shirt nice?
Yes, very nice shirt.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
What color is it?
It is cream colored.
Do you like cream color?
Yes, calm and nice.
How much is it?
It is $30.
Is $30 cheap?
No, a little expensive.
Is it too expensive?
Maybe just a little.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have some.
Is your money enough?
I think just enough.
Do you want to buy it?
Yes, I want it.
Is there a discount?
Let me check now.
Is there a sale today?
Yes, 20% off.
Is that a good deal?
Yes, very good deal.
How much now, then?
Now only 24.
Is that better now?
Yes, much better price.
Do you like discounts?
Yes, who does not?
Do you shop often?
Sometimes, not too much.
Do you like clothes?
Yes, I like fashion.
What clothes do you like?
Simple and comfortable clothes.
Do you like shirts?
Yes, shirts are great.
Do you like jackets?
Yes, for cold weather.
Do you like jeans?
Yes, jeans are comfortable.
What is your style?
Simple and casual style.
Do you follow fashion?
A little, not much.
Is fashion important to you?
Comfort is more important.
Do you buy new clothes often?
Maybe once a month.
Where do you usually shop?
Here and online sometimes.
Do you shop online?
Yes, sometimes online too.
Is online shopping easy?
Yes, very easy indeed.
Is online shopping safe?
Usually yes. Be careful.
Do you prefer online or store?
I prefer the store.
Why prefer the store?
I can try clothes.
Can you try this shirt?
Yes, fitting room there.
Is the fitting room free?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Does the shirt fit well?
Yes, fits me perfectly.
Do you like the fit?
Yes, very comfortable fit.
Will you buy it?
Yes, I will buy.
Do you pay by cash?
Yes, I have cash.
Do you use a card?
Sometimes I use card.
Is cash or card better?
Both are fine here.
Do you save money?
Yes, I try to.
Is saving money important?
Yes, very important habit.
Do you have a budget?
Yes, $50 today.
Is $50 enough?
Yes, enough for today.
Will you buy more things?
Maybe one more item.
Do you need trousers too?
Yes, looking for trousers.
Do you see any trousers?
Yes, many colors here.
What color do you want?
Dark blue or black.
Do you like dark colors?
Yes, easy to match.
Are dark clothes practical?
Yes, very practical indeed.
How much are the trousers?
They are $25.
Is that a good price?
Yes, quite good price.
Will you buy them too?
Yes, perfect for me.
Do you have enough money?
Yes, just enough left.
Are you happy with shopping?
Yes, very happy today.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe socks, just maybe.
Are socks expensive here?
No, very cheap here.
How much are the socks?
Only $3 here.
Will you buy the socks?
Yes, 2 pairs please.
Thank you for your help.
Happy to help always.
Did you enjoy shopping today?
Yes, very much so.
Will you wear it tomorrow?
Yes, first thing tomorrow.
You will look great.
Thank you so much.